everyone and welcome to another video from the Black Neuron channel. In this video we will see machine learning definition and its different tasks. So let's begin. But first of all, machine learning is a subdomain of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is about giving machines the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning turns the data into information. Machine learning uses algorithms to build a link between information extracted from data and represented in some type of models. So, in every machine learning problem, we have two main parts. We have the data and a mathematical model where we fit the data. And after fitting the data, we use that model in some sort of tasks to make prediction. Here we avoid the word training because not all the models have trainable parameters. So not all the models train. Some of them just apply mathematical stuff to calculate distance between data or something else. So the word machine learning does not mean we have trainable models with trainable parameters. I hope you understand this because so many people make confusion about those stuff. Now let's move to the machine learning tasks. In machine learning world, we have three main tasks. The first one is supervised learning, and in this task we have regression and classification. And the second one is unsupervised learning, and in this task we have clustering and dimension reduction. And the last one is reinforcement learning. In the next video, we will study each task of those and see some simple examples. So see you in the next video.